everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is actually an unboxing of a brand new subscription to me. It's called The Box by Fashionsta. I believe a lot of you guys asked me to review that, and as you guys know, YouTube is my full-time job, so I started a Patreon page, and the donations that I receive from our Patreon family helps me to put back into our channel to be able to review things for you guys. So if you would like to become part of our Patreon squad, check my description box down below for the link to our Patreon page. So a huge shout out once again, and thank you guys so much to our Patreon family for your donations and your support. I greatly appreciate it. So the box, like I said, that we're going to be unboxing is called The Box by Fashionsta. This is a monthly subscription makeup beauty box. It is $19.99. I don't know, to be honest with you guys, I don't know much about this box. But when you open it up, it says, warning, the contents of this box may cause extreme excitement. You have scored $80 to $150 worth of products you will enjoy plus love. I want to personally welcome you to The Box by Fashionsta. Again, I'm so sorry if I'm saying that wrong. Glam and emerging brands boxed and delivered to your door each and every month. You do get a card, and on this side you see, I guess, the brands that they do have in here, and on this side, I do like this. It tells you every single item that you receive in your box as well as the value of the box. So this is pretty exciting. It says, feels like an add to the cart kind of day. The season of giving is around the corner. Here's an early gift from us to you. Use this code to save 20% off your order at Fashionsta. Shh, don't tell the code. It's for a glam fam. Oh, okay. So I guess you have to be purchasing this box. Okay, so next I do have another little card. In here it says the Family Crisis Center. With every box purchase, you're helping 1736 Family Crisis Center by assisting those in need in form of monthly makeup, beauty, and self-care goodies with the intention to enhance self-confidence and self-image. 1736 Family Crisis Center is a non-profit organization based in LA with a mission to help people through crisis, including domestic violence and human trafficking. We're happy to announce this partnership and support a cause you love, as well as offering amazing products Sorry guys, I'm dyslexic, so the words jump around, so please bear with me, but this sounds absolutely amazing. As well as offering amazing products you love to use. To learn more about 1736 Family Crisis Center, please visit www.1736familycrisiscenter.org. I most definitely will be doing that. You guys know that giving back is very near and dear to my heart. I use our Sephora Play and Ipsy bags. I stuff them and I give them out to women's shelters, crisis centers, so that means a lot to me. So I applaud you. That is great. Okay. Jumping right in, we have these little doodads that end up all over the place. Okay, so the first item is the Vitamin C, if Rhonda gets on, Tea Infused Serum Hibiscus Vitamin C. This is by Teami, which I actually use the Teami green tea mask, and I actually really like that. I use it on my teenagers as well when their skin is kind of having a day. So it does retail for $45. It says quench dry skin with this serum's water-esque consistency, which instantly absorbs into your skin. Vitamin C takes less than 30 seconds, so you can quickly continue with your beauty routine. I don't want to bore you guys, but that's pretty cool. It looks like it is a cruelty-free company as well, or product. And that is what the little bottle looks like. So it definitely looks like a hibiscus color, and it's in a clear bottle. I thought vitamin C serums and stuff had to be in a dark bottle, but I could be wrong. What do I know? Okay, so the next item we received is Jet Super Hydrating Skin Oil to Foam Jet Cleanser. It's by Double Dare. I have never heard of this before, and it is $25. That is pretty cool. I don't know what kind of skin type it is for. Let's see here. Created with lip quenching oil and extract. What? It's a skincare. Created with lip quenching oil and extract, this formula is creamy and luxurious, allowing for a smooth glide upon application, hugging the lips for more comfortable wear. Okay, wait, what? I'm so confused. How to use. Dispense 2 to 3 pumps onto your palm. Gently massage your face to remove makeup and impurities. Add lukewarm water. Wait, I gotta be reading the wrong thing. Am I reading the wrong thing? Jet Super Hydrating Skin. I don't know what's going on here, but I swear to you guys, I'm gonna show you. Here's what the bottle looks like. Here's the directions, which I don't even know if they'll be able to screenshot it or something and you guys can zoom in, I don't know. And then here's, I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, but this is the directions. I don't know. Okay, I would assume this is like for all over your face. I don't know why it says lip. It's just whatever. Not a big deal. Okay, every day for everybody. Club BFF Natural Rescue Balm. Pawpaw and acai plus peppermint. Now, this sounds like it's for your lips. Long lasting. It's a BFF Natural Rescue Balm. It's your ride or die kind of friend. This nifty sidekick is petroleum-free balm formulated with papaya, antioxidant-rich acai, however you say it, emollient, sunflower, blah, 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 blah. Sounds really amazing. Retails for $15. So, okay, so we got that. Next item we got is the Galactic Matte Lip Paint Duo that retails for $26. I want to say we've gotten Galactic in our, ooh, this is pretty, in our Boxycharm before, and I honestly, it was like a duo highlighter or something. This is pretty. I don't know if I'm going to open this and swatch it, to be honest with you guys, just because it's pretty colors. I don't know if I'm going to use them, but I have a ton of lipsticks open. But like I said, that does retail for $26. That's expensive. Oh my goodness gracious, we got a Sigma brush. A Sigma F89 Baked Kabuki brush in here. It retails for $25. Sigma has great brushes. That's awesome. Not mad about that. And then the last item I got is an eyeshadow palette. Oh, this is cute. So you have a bunch of like mattes and shimmers, eyeshadows, and then you've got face and cheek, or cheek and highlight down through here. I've never heard of this brand. Does anybody else smell things? I think that's pretty, but I think I'm going to save that for a giveaway. I guess it's by, is it by Rude Cosmetics? And it retails for $21.50, bringing the grand total of everything to $157.50 in this box. Okay, so this is my first box that I've ever purchased from Fashionsta, and I think that they did pretty good. I mean, for $19.99, I think you have a good variety of things. Definitely by brands I've not heard of before, and then of course by brands I have heard of. So I do like the variety, I do like the selection, and I mean, for $19.99, I think this was a really good box. I mean, overall, I mean, value-wise, it was good. So I will definitely continue on and get this box next month. I do think when I signed up, I did get a referral link. I don't believe it's an affiliate link at all. If I can make it an affiliate link, of course I'm gonna ask, and I will let you guys know down below when you guys check out that link if it's an affiliate link. But I actually am pretty pleased with this. I do like this. Like I said, I am going to be putting some things in a giveaway because I do want to hopefully hit 20,000 subscribers on this YouTube channel by December 31st, 2019. I'm putting it out into the universe. I'm not going to give up on it. I mean, we just hit 16,000, and I'm so insanely blessed with y'all's support. It's insane. You guys know I've been going through it lately, and I can't tell you guys enough how much I truly appreciate you guys. It just means the world to me. Your prayers for my family and my mom, we greatly appreciate it. So I will continue on with this box, and like I said, some of these items are going to go into a giveaway because I'm hoping to do a giveaway before the end of the year. I've already started collecting things, guys. I mean, your girl's got goals. She's setting goals. Let's do this, friends. Share our channel with your friends, your friends' friends, your friends' sisters, your sister's brother, sister, mother, aunt, grandma, great aunt, great grandma, aunt, whoever's got social media. Let's do this. We're gonna hit 20,000. I've got a lot of stuff. I'm making it big. I got dreams, people. We're gonna make this happen. All right? Never give up. I'm feeling sassy. I'm feeling real good. Okay. All right, I'm gonna hop off. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up or vote by giving me a thumbs down. Whatever it may be, thumbs up, thumbs down. I just appreciate that you guys are here. Like I said, share our channel. Let's get it out here. Let's hit 20,000 by year's end. I would greatly appreciate it. We can do it. I mean, literally. The van girl got 1 million in like 30 days. So come on now. Let's do this. All right, let's show the world that even over 40, we can have a growing YouTube channel. All right. Okay, guys, until next time, as always, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Check my description box down below for the referral link, for the link to our Patreons. Become part of our Patreon family. Thank you guys again for your love and support and all listening to my whininess and all of that stuff. Hopefully we'll get mom's results soon, and I mean, that's like weighing heavy on my heart. So anyways, I'm gonna hop off. I have to go get my monkeys from school. I love you guys. Thank you guys again for everything, and until next time, as always, I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful, and blessed day. Kisses from Kentucky. Mwah!